let's unbox our beginner stitch sampler kit. Each of our beginner kits includes all the supplies you need so you can get to the fun part, stitching. We've made it super simple so you can make the most of your precious me time and the mental health benefits that come with it. So what's inside the kit? First up, we have a card with a QR code that gives you access to the step-by-step video tutorials. In these videos, I'll take you through every step of the pattern, from preparing your hoop and threads, all of the stitch techniques, and then the finishing steps. Now, I've really focused on making these videos informative, but also beginner friendly and down to earth, so you won't get overwhelmed as we stitch the pattern together. Then we have these beautiful Clever Poppy threads. They're on bobbins, which is so helpful to prevent them from getting all tangled and mixed up. And there's plenty of floss for you to finish your hoop, even if you do make a few mistakes along the way, which is totally normal, right? This is the needle pack. Isn't it so adorable? You get 2 sizes of needles, and I've got lots of tips for how to thread your needle too in the videos. Now, these are our lovely Clever Poppy scissors. They're so nice and sharp for snipping in close to your threads. Here we have the transfer pen, and the cool thing is that it's heat erasable. This is so handy because you can remove any pen lines that are still visible at the end with a hairdryer or an iron. It is like magic. This beechwood hoop is excellent quality and so lovely to stitch in. It holds your fabric nice and tight, and it's also a really beautiful way to display your finished work. Here's the pattern template. So in the videos, I'll teach you how to transfer this onto your fabric with the heat erasable pen. We also include a backing card that you can write your name and the date on. This is so special because you can look back on your work and see how far you've come on your embroidery journey. It's also a special touch if you're gifting your finished hoop. Next, we have some lovely white fabric, which is so nice to stitch on. You'll also get a printed reference photo so you can easily refer to the stitched example as you work your way through the pattern with me. Now, don't be scared because this is the time to start learning embroidery with our easy to follow and simple instructions. This kit is perfect for beginners, and I just know you'll have so much fun learning embroidery. You can grab your beginner kit at cleverpoppy.com, and I can't wait to start stitching with you.